Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. In this video, I've got a fabulous Dorian minor scale pattern, which is just great for moving around your instrument. We're going to be doing it in all 12 keys for alto and for tenor sax. You get a free PDF with this video so that you've got everything there in manuscript and it's been annotated as well. And this pattern is just an excellent way of practicing the saxophone. It's really good. You get to play in every single scale and it's fabulous for improvising. So let me play a little snippet of it to you and so you can hear how nice it sounds. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the sheet, describe the scale, show you exactly how it fits. Then we're going to go around in a practice with me way, taking this round in all 12 keys, going around the cycle anti-clockwise. So we're going to go from D to G to C to F to B flat and E flat and so on. You'll see anyway, but have a listen to how lovely it sounds. So what I'm doing is I'm just using little pieces of this pattern. I'll explain, but listen to how lovely it is. I love it. I love this pattern and I would use it loads and loads and loads when I'm improvising. So I really think it's a fabulous pattern. So let me explain. Have a look here and you can see you've got this long, complicated sequence of notes and that looks scary, especially if you're not used to reading very much, but actually it's really straightforward. Let me play it to you and then I'm going to describe exactly what's happening. So if I play that just on the alto, and maybe you can hear that that is clearly some sort of scale pattern, and I'm going to explain exactly what's going on in a second. Just before I do that, please would you go and have a look at my website, my little corner of the universe, saxmadesimple.com. There's tons of free content on there. It's really good stuff and it's completely free. There's exercises, there are transposition charts, there's a cycle of fifths, there's free backing tracks on there, and there's also some paid content, tune tutorials for just £6 that come with a backing track included and a PDF included, and there's also some major scale courses on there, and I've just started it, so I'd really appreciate it if you go and have a look. saxmadesimple.com. Thank you so much. Right, so let's have a look at the structure of this. By the way, this was my son who wrote out, transcribed this for me. Charlie Blades did an absolutely brilliant job. And first of all, I want to make completely sure that you're happy with Dorian minors. So a Dorian minor is just exactly the same as a major scale, but starting on the second note. Let me show you in C major. So you have C major, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and this would be described as C major 7. Now a Dorian minor is exactly the same bunch of notes but starting on a different point. It's starting on the second note and we would call it the second mode of C. So the notes would be D, E, F, G, A, B, C and D, and this is D minor 7. And so this pattern is using the Dorian minor, and I better write that down, this is a Dorian minor. So then this pattern is going 1, 2, 3 and then back to the first note again. Let me show you what I mean. Look, it goes D, E, F, D, D, E, F, D. Then it does exactly the same thing starting on the next note along. E, F, G, E. E, F, G, E, and then it does the same thing starting on the F and so on and so forth. F, G, A, F, F, G, A, F, starting on the G, G, A, B, G, starting on the A, B, C, A, and then starting on the B, B, C, D, B, and then starting on the C, C, D, E, C, and then it starts on the D again, D, E, F, D, and we're back to the top. So it's a repeating pattern, which is actually quite straightforward. So just to be crystal clear, now somebody was teasing me about my terrible singing, but on one of the comments, but what can you do? It just really helps explain it very, very clearly. And if you have a look here, we've got 5 bars for me and 5 bars for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I show you how this fits together, so it's going to be me. Da do dee da ba do dee da ba do da do da da ba do dee da ba do da ba do dee da ba do da do ba do da. Then you ba do dee do ba do da do da da do ba do dee do ba do dee da ba do da do ba do dee do da. Then me again. I was definitely out of tune there. Okay. Okay, so let's do it. So this is for the alto players. Let's do it together. Here we go. Well done. How did you find that? I really hope that you found that a super useful exercise, and I guarantee that if you practice in this way, this is a superb way of practicing. Just think of this. When you play this pattern in its entirety, that's the same as practicing the scale, the whole scale 4 times. So it's just 4 times more effective and useful for improvising, as I said before, gets your fingers moving around. I mean, I can't see what the possible downside is. I really hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please do go to my website, which is saxmadesimple.com, and tell me what you think about it. I'd really appreciate your feedback. Right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Well done. How did you find that? I really hope that you found that a super useful exercise, and I guarantee that if you practice in this way, this is a superb way of practicing. Just think of this, when you play this pattern in its entirety, that's the same as practicing the scale, the whole scale 4 times. So it's just 4 times more effective and useful for improvising, as I said before, gets your fingers moving around. I mean, I can't see what the possible downside is. I really hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please do go to my website, which is saxmadesimple.com, and tell me what you think about it. I'd really appreciate your feedback. Right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.